Bird's missing.
Where is he?
I have no idea.
Bird!
I'm scared of this, actually. Be careful in case he's on the bed. I'm scared of this.
Bird!
Bird?
Bird!
Wait, maybe behind the door.
Wait,
Uh-oh.
Here. No? Is he behind my door?
I don't know. I'm scared of this.
You don't know where he is?
You guys, Bird's missing.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah, he is.
How could he be missing?
I don't know.
Did you
Oh,
see
there's a
him
giraffe.
fly
Cute.
my room?
What?
Did you see him fly out of here?
I have no idea where he's at.
No, he flew in here. That's what
Bird? I have no idea where this bird is. No, he is hiding.
He is such a good hider. We're playing hide and go seek with Bird. Oh, found him.
Nuh-uh.
What?
Come here.
You did?
Come on.
Uh-huh.
Come on.
Why would he go back there?
Is he biting you? Ah! Ah!
Into the fan?
Ah! Oh!
Stop the fan. Oh no.
Julian.
Oh his wing.
No way.
Promise. Oh.
Julian, I've been telling you all that time, and he keeps saying Ryan always thinks he's running into the fan.
How did that happen though?
Did
I
that
said it
really
1
just
second
happen?
later. Yeah, didn't I like say it in 1 second? Shit.
Uh-oh.
Oh, no. Let's go take him home.
Okay. But at least he's alive.
Yeah, I think he's okay.
Oh
my god, when I
no.
saw all those feathers, I
I
thought
think
he
it just
exploded.
hurt him. Why
That's
did you
sad.
close his doors?
This-
Oh, think he's home. Oh no.
Fuck.
I don't know if he can stand.
You might need to take him to the vet or something.
Oh no.